Welcome back, everyone. You are tuning in to Best Product, where we help you find the greatest tech gear for your mobile lifestyle. If you need a reliable typing solution for on-the-go productivity, check out our guide to the top 5 best foldable Bluetooth keyboard. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Bkscy Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. Bkscy Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is designed for people who want portability without giving up comfort. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry in a bag or even a large pocket. When you fold the keyboard, it automatically powers off. Open it again, and it wakes up instantly. This automatic wake and sleep function helps save battery and makes daily use smooth and simple. The built-in touchpad adds even more convenience. It is highly sensitive and responsive, allowing you to move the cursor, scroll, and control your device without needing a separate mouse. You can double-click and hold to drag and drop files, which feels natural and efficient when working on documents or organizing folders. For iOS devices, the touchpad function works with systems higher than iOS 13.4, giving you better control right from the keyboard. Bkscy also focuses on easy connection with a one-button connection feature. Pairing is quick and hassle-free. Just press the Connect button and link it to your device through Bluetooth. It works well with tablets, smartphones, and other compatible devices, making it a flexible tool for work or travel. Inside, there is a built-in rechargeable lithium battery. On a single charge, you can enjoy up to 48 hours of continuous typing. That is more than enough for long work sessions, study time, or travel days. When not in use, it can stay on standby for up to 560 hours, so you do not have to worry about charging it all the time. The ultra-sensitive touch surface and stable key response make typing feel comfortable despite its compact size. Bkscy Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard combines smart power management, responsive touch control, and portable design into one practical device that fits easily into your daily routine. Next, at number 4, is the Bkscy Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. The Bkscy Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is a compact and practical partner for anyone who needs to type comfortably on the go, especially for Mac notebook users. This portable mini folding keyboard is built to fit perfectly into your daily routine, whether you are working at a cafe, traveling, or moving between meetings. The most helpful feature of the Bkscy Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is its brilliant foldable design. You can simply fold it down and slide it into your bag. Since it takes up very little space, you can enjoy a full typing experience without carrying around a bulky accessory. The moment you open the keyboard, it is ready to help you stay productive wherever you are. Connecting your devices is completely wire-free thanks to the built-in Bluetooth technology. Another great feature of the Bkscy Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is its convenient one-click free switching function. This smart feature allows you to jump between different devices with a single press. You can switch from typing a document on your Mac notebook to sending a quick message on your smartphone and then move over to your tablet in seconds. This saves you time and keeps your workflow incredibly smooth, which is perfect if you use multiple devices during the day. Even though it is highly compact, this keyboard does not sacrifice the typing experience. The keys are carefully designed to feel smooth, highly responsive, and wonderfully quiet. This makes it an excellent choice for quiet environments like professional offices, public libraries, or shared workspaces. You can type long emails, edit documents, or chat with friends without creating any distracting noise. It provides a portable office experience while feeling stable and reliable on your desk. Bkscy focuses on meeting your everyday needs with a simple, clean, and attractive design. It is exceptionally easy to store, completely effortless to carry, and very quick to connect through Bluetooth. Whether you need a second keyboard for travel or a lightweight and flexible solution for remote work, the Bkscy Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard delivers amazing convenience and outstanding comfort in one smart device. Coming in at number 3, we have the Seenda Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. Seenda Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard combines a full-size typing experience with true portability. Even though it folds down into a compact shape, once opened, it gives you the space and layout of a regular keyboard. It is designed for people who want efficiency without carrying something bulky. The folding mechanism is built to last. Seenda uses strong aluminum hinges, tested for up to 10000 folding actions, designed to support years of daily use. The aluminum frame adds stiffness and durability, so the keyboard feels solid while typing. When folded, built-in magnets keep it securely closed in your bag, so it will not open by accident while you travel. Typing on the Seenda Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard feels smooth and quiet thanks to its scissor switch keys. These low-profile keys provide a laptop-like typing experience with good feedback and precision. They reduce more than 90% of disruptive noise, which makes it perfect for offices, libraries, or late-night work sessions. You get comfortable and ultra-precise typing without disturbing people around you. Battery life is another strong point. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge, and once charged, it can stay on standby for up to 150 days. That means less time worrying about charging and more time focusing on work. The rechargeable design keeps things simple and cable-free. For stability, Seenda adds non-slip pads on the bottom. These keep the keyboard balanced and steady on your desk, so it does not slide around while you type quickly. You can also sync up to 3 devices at the same time using triple Bluetooth channels. With a simple button press, you can switch between your laptop, tablet, or phone in seconds. It works smoothly with Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android devices, making it a flexible tool for multitasking across all your gadgets. Our runner-up, at number 2, is the Jomaa Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. Jomaa Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard combines the comfort of a laptop keyboard with the convenience of a compact travel design. This tri-folding keyboard opens up to give you a near full-size layout, then folds down into a small and portable form that easily fits into your bag. It is built for people who want a better typing experience wherever they go. At the heart of the Jomaa Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is the Broadcom US Bluetooth 5.1 chipset. This provides low latency and stable performance, so your typing feels instant and responsive. Whether you are writing emails or working on documents, the connection stays smooth and reliable. The large touchpad is another standout feature. It includes left and right-click support and closely matches the feel of a laptop touchpad. This means you can control your device, scroll, and manage files without carrying a separate mouse. It makes mobile work much more convenient. Jomaa also supports 3-channel Bluetooth connection. You can pair up to 3 devices at the same time and switch between them freely with a simple action. Move from your phone to your tablet or laptop in seconds without reconnecting each time. The keyboard uses big-size keycaps with a 1-to-1 layout similar to a laptop. Combined with comfortable scissor switches, it delivers a familiar and smooth typing experience. The keys feel stable and responsive, helping you type accurately even during long sessions. Inside, there is a built-in 210 mAh rechargeable lithium battery. It offers long standby time and supports repeated charging, making it both practical and environmentally friendly. Compatible with Windows, Android, iOS, and Mac systems, the Jomaa Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard fits easily into almost any setup. The textured PU leather back cover adds a premium touch and a professional look, giving it both style and function in one smart device. And finally, our top pick for the Nillkin Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. Nillkin Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is designed for ultimate portability without sacrificing comfort. Thanks to its foldable and lightweight build, it easily slips into a bag or backpack. Whether you are traveling, working remotely, or moving between meetings, this keyboard is ready to go wherever you need it. Even with its compact design, the Nillkin Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard opens up into a full-size 68-key layout with an English language arrangement. The spacing feels familiar, so typing emails, reports, or notes feels natural and efficient. You get the productivity of a standard keyboard in a body that is much easier to carry. It supports universal compatibility across multiple systems, including Windows, iOS, Android, and more. Using Bluetooth wireless technology, it connects smoothly to PCs, Macs, smartphones, and tablets. This flexibility makes it a practical choice if you regularly switch between devices during the day. The built-in rechargeable battery adds to its convenience. You do not need to replace disposable batteries, just recharge it when needed and enjoy extended usage time. This not only saves money over time, but also supports a more sustainable way of working. Nillkin also pays attention to design and durability. The keyboard is crafted with high-quality leather material that gives it a sleek and professional appearance. The surface feels smooth and comfortable to the touch, while the durable build helps it withstand daily use. The capacitive keys provide precise and responsive input. Combined with clear pad-printed characters, the letters remain easy to see even after long periods of use. The result is a typing experience that feels stable, accurate, and reliable, all packed into a stylish foldable form. That wraps up our guide to the ultimate on-the-go typing solutions. If you found the perfect travel companion for your workflow today, be sure to check the price link in the description for the best deals. Please like and subscribe to Best Product for more awesome tech reviews and recommendations. See you in the next one.